Welcome to uKnowva HRMS tutorial videos for implementation partners. Today we'll walk you through the default holidays section in the Leaves Process Management page. This section, titled as "Do you want to use default holidays?" provides a pre-configured list of holidays for your company, including national holidays like Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti for Indian organizations. This section gives you important options to modify or add holidays. Let's explore them one by one. First, if you want to retain the existing holiday list without making any changes, simply click Yes, Use Default Holidays. That's it, your holiday list remains as it is. Next, if you need to add or customize holidays, click on the Edit button. Then find and click Add Holidays. A pop-up window titled Add Holidays will appear where you can enter holiday details. Here's what you need to do. In the Date field, select the specific date for the holiday. In the Occasion field, enter the holiday name like Christmas or Foundation Day. If this holiday should recur annually, toggle your holiday to Yes. This ensures the holiday repeats every year on the same date. Need optional holidays? Set the optional field to Yes. Employees can choose whether to take these holidays, such as regional or cultural ones. Organizations often limit the number of optional holidays an employee can avail. For holidays that apply only to certain employees based on location or department, toggle Conditional Holiday to Yes. These holidays will be assigned based on employee details. Once you've entered all the details, click Save to update the holiday in your organization's holiday calendar. Need to discard changes? Click Cancel. Now let's review your holiday list. Click the third option of this holiday section titled View Default Holidays to access and manage your organization's holiday list. The List of Holidays page will open, displaying standard holidays applicable to all employees and optional holidays which employees can choose based on their leave balance. This page presents holidays in a structured table format with key details like occasion, action, day, date, and applicable state. But there's more you can do here. Want to add a new holiday? Click Add Holiday at the top right, and the familiar Add Holiday pop-up will appear. We covered earlier in the video, so feel free to rewind for details. Need an offline record? Click Export to download the list for reporting or external use. If you want to filter holidays by state, use the State Selection drop-down to customize results for regional requirements. To view holidays within a specific date range, use the funnel button. Set the From and To dates, then click Search to apply the filter, or Reset to revert to the default view. Need to make changes? Click the Edit under the Action column. Update the date, occasion, or toggle options for yearly, optional, or conditional holidays. Once done, click Save to apply changes, or Cancel to discard them. To remove a holiday, click Delete next to it. Confirm the deletion, and the holiday will be permanently removed from the list. And that's how you manage default holidays in uKnowva HRMS. Customize your holiday list with ease, and keep your workforce informed. Happy managing and thanks for watching.